Hello and welcome to my channel. Still on Sanwo-Olu, Lagos State and the NPA port relocation. You see, let me tell you before we start. With what is happening, you will know why Yoruba people do not want Nigeria to break. They are the ones enjoying the most financial, economic benefits. They will tell you they are prepared to go, but look at what is happening. Now, with what is happening, you will not see anybody coming here to argue again that the Nigerian structure is not by design, that making Lagos to have everything, the ports and the rest of them, it's not by design. Remember, in our previous videos, we told you it is by design, that Lagos is enjoying all of these commercial, financial benefits. Some people were arguing. Now, just 20%, to concession, 20% to Wari, and Lagos is almost, everybody is afraid already. We even want more than 20%. We want equal. When they say just 20%, that means Lagos is still enjoying 80%. We're opposed to that. Anyway, today we are going to be talking about it like we did in other videos. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu is opposing the plan to move some ports operation to Warri in Delta State. Let's explain why this matters for all Nigeria. The Nigeria Ports Authority, or NPA, wants to relocate some operations from Lagos Port to Warri Seaport. Lagos ports are very busy. Moving some operations will reduce congestion, lower costs, because the congestion is increasing the cost of trying to clear goods there. And by decongesting the place and moving some part, taking it to Warri, the efficiency will be improved. But the governor of Lagos State, Sanwo-Olu, opposes this. He says moving operations will hurt Lagos economy. Can you imagine these people? Can you just imagine these people? Can you just imagine these people? Where is it in the constitution that it must be Lagos that will enjoy, that will be the only functioning seaport in Nigeria? Where is it in the constitution that every goods coming to Nigeria must go to Lagos? You see that design? That design is about being cracked small. We need to. I abasi ife anapo politics ike. I na chongwele onwe mano. I etiesi anyi ike. Nsowode. Can you imagine? Just 20%. He said it will hurt Lagos economy. Can you imagine? Lagos that is already the richest state in Nigeria. Lagos has everything. So many jobs, almost everything is happening in Lagos. Headquarters of this, simply because of this particular port that has brought business. Another state is just an attempt to just share a little. According to Sanwo-Olu's argument, Lagos may lose revenue, some jobs may disappear, the economy of Lagos could be weaker. Can you imagine? From Lagos' point of view, this is protecting the state's interest. From his own point of view, he's protecting the state interest. Yes. But is that really fair to the rest of the country? To all the waters in the country? Now, why are we talking about this? Recently, again, it was in the news. The Igbo Community Association in Abuja has spoken out. They support the NPA plan. They say Lagos ports are overcrowded and moving some operations will create jobs in other regions. I'm happy they are speaking up this time. I've been expecting to hear Igbo communities, Igbo meetings should rise up. It is time to take what is ours. What is not ours, but at least it brings it closer. Lagos ports are overcrowded. So moving operations will create jobs in other regions. South and Southeast have been neglected for many years. If the ports in South function well, I think South people should support this argument. If the ports in South-South function well, there will be massive development in South-South, just like the Southeast will also benefit from it. This is not just an Igbo problem. So, why is everybody talking? It is about fairness, it's about balance, and it's about national development. Now, let's be honest. Governor Sanwo-Olu's opposition is selfish and self-centered. Note, Lagos is complaining about congestion, but fights a solution that will help decongest it. Simply because of one reason, economy will shrink. And by the way, ports belongs to Nigeria, not Lagos alone. Even though they are building their new ports, they were built with federal money for all Nigerians. By lobbying the president to stop NPA, he is politicizing a technical decision. And this weakens national institutions. Leadership means sharing, not hoarding. Fighting balanced development shows lack of moral responsibility. People are just hopeless. People are just hopeless. Tomorrow, what the man knows is how to demolish properties. He wants to tell, all his attitude shows, Igbos, you are not welcomed. But he wants to keep the ports that brings Igbo to Lagos. Let me tell you, Oga, it's just a matter of time. I don't know how the federal government will deal with this, but it's just a matter of time. This issue is bigger than Lagos. It's bigger than Lagos. Lagos cannot manage the traffic. It's already showing that the congestion there is affecting the state so much. And an attempt to decongest it also to help other regions. Some people are standing in the way. With what is happening, what NPA plans to do, Lagos will be less congested. And Warri and other ports will grow. And jobs will spread across regions. And cost for imports will also go down. Because the cost for imports is increased because of how hard it is. Because of the congestion in Lagos, how hard it is to clear your goods. So what they are doing is not against Lagos. It is about Nigeria. Balanced development. It makes all regions stronger. Again, that takes us back to what we have been saying. Lagos this, Lagos that, they are bragging. It is by design. Is anybody still arguing that it is by design? I had some people the other day, inexperienced people telling me, commenting on the comment section, go and build your port now, go and build your port. This is the politics there. This is the politics. If I build my port, what will MPA allow? Allow it. This is about government policy. You understand? And that is why those who are asking for their own nation are doing so. They know why they are doing so. They want to wait. If Nigeria splits today, most Igbos will be importing through the waters in our place. Can you imagine? MPA wants to relocate some operations to Warri. Sanwo-Olu opposite is for Lagos interest, not for national interest, but for Lagos. Not as if what is the goods and everything belongs to Lagos, or it is Lagos indigenes that are the importers. No. So, Igbo communities are raising alarm, supporting many Nigerians, and also supporting fairness. Leadership means shared growth, not hoarding. Or do you think Lagos deserves it? Is it by merit? No, it is not by merit. It is politics. Politics that made it the continuous use of Lagos while others remain as if nothing is happening there. Why should Lagos block the progress for other states? What all the Nigerians should benefit, and Lagos is benefiting alone. Let me tell you, Nigeria's future depends on balanced development. these people,